Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to undo last action in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So let's begin. Now, I'm just going to start a new project where we can start adding new actions so we can show the undo button here for the editing. So I'm just going to choose this video. I'm going to click on that, and now it will take us to the editing panel. So as you can see here, we have my video on this timeline, and let's just do any type of action. So I'm just going to split, and then I'm just going uh, to add the volume or to add the filter. So I'm just going to filter this one, and let's just have a gray filter for this video and it will become like this. I'm going to click on done and now we have our video as follow. This one is splitted and it has this colorful thing and now this one is filtered. Now we want just to click on the undo action and you will find it here next to the timeline. So if we hover to it, you will see that undo change color fill. So as you can see, my filter for this next section has been removed. Now let's just undo again. And as you can see, the undo split clip. Now my clip is not split anymore and it is a whole video. We can do also a redo and it will add the undone actions. And by that, you will be able to start correcting your mistakes in editing. And after that, you will be able to have like some smooth editing or some easier experience. So thank you for watching and see you next time.